Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gizmos to give you the scoop you need before making that purchase. Today, we're taking a look at the Belkin Thunderbolt 4 Dock Pro. Let's jump right in. Now, the first thing you'll notice about this dock is its sleek and elegant design. Crafted with a cool-to-the-touch aluminum tube and capped with black plastic ends, it's a looker on any desk setup. But looks can only get you so far, right? Let's talk about what this dock brings to the table in terms of features. With a whopping 12 ports, including dual HDMI, USB-C, USB-A, Ethernet, and more, you're certainly not lacking in connectivity options. Whether you're a PC user or rocking a MacBook with Thunderbolt 3 or 4 ports, this dock has you covered. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. One major downside is the single Thunderbolt downstream port, which could be a deal-breaker for some users who rely heavily on Thunderbolt-connected displays and storage. Another point to consider is the power delivery. While the dock promises up to 90 W of charging power, some high-demand laptops might find this insufficient, especially when paired with multiple peripherals. Overall, the Belkin Thunderbolt 4 Dock Pro offers a stylish design and a decent array of ports. But it falls short in a few key areas, especially considering its hefty price tag. So, should you buy it? Well, if you're a fan of Belkin's quality and aesthetics, and you don't mind the limitations we've discussed, it could be a solid choice. However, if you're looking for more bang for your buck, there are other options worth considering. And that's a wrap for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy shopping!